Welcome. This training video covers pattern search. This is video 1 of 2. Make sure to watch the second video in this series. Pattern search can be used to find multiple occurrences of symbols representing components that need to be counted, such as fixtures or switches. A sample pattern is selected in the drawing. Then Dimension searches the entire drawing for other occurrences of the symbol. The results are sorted by how well they match the original pattern and displayed in a grid. You can easily make additions or deletions. The selected matches are then converted into a count measurement. Let's go through the pattern search process. You can find pattern search on the Drawing tab. If you use pattern search a lot, you can add the entire group to your quick access toolbar by right-clicking on the group name and selecting Add to Quick Access Toolbar. The entire pattern search group will now be available anytime you need it. Pattern search allows you to predefine search areas on the drawing. You can do that with a 2-point rectangle or with a multi-point polygon. I have already selected my search area, which can be seen by clicking the Show Hide button here. You need only to designate your predefined search areas once. Dimension remembers the setting for future searches. Now, let's zoom into our pattern or symbol and select Start Pattern Search. Drag a rectangle around the pattern. The dragged area will then appear in the Edit Pattern Search window. This window allows you to edit the pattern to correct any markings that aren't part of the desired pattern. Controls in the window allow you to set a match percentage for review. For example, a review percentage of 80 will only show patterns that match the original at 80% or greater. Adjusting the review percentage higher will have less matches, and lower will have more matches to review. All patterns matching the review percentage will be included in the review window. You can choose to search all 4 rotations of the pattern, and you can exclude previous counts on the drawing. The search area selection allows you to select what part of the drawing to search for your selected pattern. You can choose the entire drawing, any of your predefined areas, or you can choose to drag a new area on the drawing before the search starts. Choose the trace that you want to assign the resulting count to. Or, if you have built a quantity worksheet, you can assign the count to one of the items in the worksheet. We will do that from the next window. If you check the option Search Immediately, you will see a progress window while the search is performed. When it is complete, the review will start automatically. If you don't check that option, a background search will be done. You can continue working on other things, such as other searches, and manually invoke the review later. See the second video in this series titled Multi-Page Pattern Search to learn more about background searches. When you are ready, click the Search button. The results are shown in the Search Review window, allowing you to select or deselect the pattern matches that you want. The best matches, those that have the highest percentage match, will be displayed at the top. The green highlighted patterns were automatically selected based on the Select Minimum percentage in the toolbar. In this case, all patterns having a 90% or greater match to the original have been selected automatically. You can toggle the matches on or off by clicking once on the match. You can minimize the review window and review all the matches directly on the drawing. Click the Review on Drawing button and the review window will be minimized, showing the drawing with all the matches on either green or brown. The green matches are selected and the brown matches are not selected. You can review each match one by double-clicking the match in the review window. If you have used a low review percentage for your search, you will have more matches to review. Some of those will not be valid. You can remove them from the review window by first selecting all the matches you want to keep and then clicking the Purge Unselected button at the bottom. You can expand the area shown around each potential match by dragging the Expand button. As you drag, the display area of the image will expand. When you release the drag, the display area for all matches will expand. This allows you to see the area around the original pattern, making it easier to review and choose the correct matches. Once all the matches are selected, you can save your counts. Click the Save button and those matches are converted into a count using the trace selected at the top of the review window. If you are using a quantity worksheet, make sure to select the item to assign the count to and check the Auto Assign box. Sometimes a search will return a collection of matches that should be separated into multiple counts. For example, here we have 3 devices that need to be counted. We have a smoke detector with auxiliary contacts, and a heat detector. Select the matches for the first count and click Save and Continue. A count will be created using the selected matches and trace, or assigned to the quantity worksheet. Those matches will be removed from the review window. You can then create more counts by changing the trace or worksheet item, selecting the matches, and clicking Save and Continue. After selecting the final set of matches to count, click Save to finish the search. Thank you. That is the end of this video. Make sure to watch the pattern search video on background searches titled Multi-Page Pattern Search.